let's learn about cyclicity. What is cyclicity? Cyclicity of a number can be defined as cyclicity of a number is about the last digit and how they appear in certain defined manner when raised to any power. Let me give an example. Let's take 12 to the power 54. Can anyone tell me the answer? So it's a difficult number, it's a very big number, but we can find out the last digit of this sum. The answer is 4. The same way, because we know, I can give the answer very quickly within like 5 seconds because I know the concept behind it. The cyclicity is about the last digit. Let's record this. Last is about the last digit when raised to any power. When I take any number and when I increase its powers, there's a last digit of that number keeps repeating after every certain cycle. That's why the concept is called as cyclicity. Let's take an example of 2. 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 square is 4. 2's cube is 8. 2 to the power 4 is 16. Now you can see these 4 numbers. Now 2 to the power 5 is again 32. Last digit is 2. 2 to the power 6 is how much? 64. Again last number is 4. 2 to the power 7 is what? 128. Again, so you can see the difference. 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 to the power 5 is 32. The last number is 2. 2 to the power 2 is 2 to the square is 4. 2 to the power 6 is also what? 64. Again last number is 4. Again 2's cube is 8. And 2 to the power 7 is 128. Last digit is 8. 2 to the power 4 is how much? 16. And 2 to the power 8 is how much? 256. Last digit is again 6. So you can see there is a repetition of the last digit of the number named as 2486. 2486. There is a pattern of the last digit and it is repeating itself after 4 numbers. That's why cyclicity of 2 is 4. So in number system we have 4 different we have the numbers which are having cyclicity 4. Some numbers have cyclicity as 2. Some numbers have cyclicity only 1. So we have to understand that. The first now we in number system we are using decimal number system. So every number is composed of only 10 numbers from 0 to 9, right? So we just have to understand the cyclicity of these 10 numbers, then we can find out the cyclicity of any number, isn't it? So the let's take a first group named as 0, 1, 5 and 6. See these numbers have cyclicity only 1, that number itself. 0 cyclicity is 0. Take any number which is ending with 0 with any power, its last digit will be what? 0. Let's take an example 10. 10 to the power 5 is how much? 1 lakh. Last number is 0 only. Same way, take number 1. Let's take 11. 11's cube 1331. 11 square again, let go downgrade itself 1221. 121. Last digit is again 1. Let's take number 5. 5 square 25. 5 cube 125. 5 to the power 4 625. Last digit is again what? 5. Same way, last number 6. 6 to the power 1 6. 6 square is 36. 6 cube is what? 216. So last number is again 6. So these are the group of numbers whose cyclicity is the same number. 0 cyclicity is 0, 1 cyclicity is 1, 5 cyclicity is 5 and 6 cyclicity is 6. Let's take another group of numbers, that is 4 and 9. What is cyclicity of 4? See, 4 to the power 1 is 4. 4 square is 16. 4 cube is 64. Can you see the difference now? 4 is repeating again. 4 to the power is 256. Again 6 came. So what is the logic behind it? 4's power 1. Again 4's cube. All these are the odd powers. So we can say 4's odd power. Any number which is ending with 4 with odd power, we can say its answer is 4. And any number which is ending with 4 whose power is even, then its answer is 6. Okay, same logic applies for 9. 9 to the power 1 is 9. 9 square is 81. 9 cube is 79. And can you see the cycle here? 9 1 9 1. Again, for odd power of 9, the answer is 9. For even power of 9, answer is 1. So you can see the logic here. The last point. What are the remaining numbers? 2, 3, 7 and 8. We have seen the cyclicity for 2. What is cyclicity of 2? 2, 4, 8, 6. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 square is 4. 2's cube is 8. 2 power 4 is 16. So these are the 4 numbers again, because 32, 64, 128, 256, 2486. Last digits are 2486. Now coming to the other numbers. What is the other number? 3. 3 to the power 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. 3 cube is what? 27. 3 to the power 4 is 81. What are the last 4 numbers? 3. Yes, 3971. 3971. Okay, these are the numbers, cyclicity of the 3. Now remaining number is 7 and 8. What is let me just tell you the cyclicity of 7. 7 cyclicity is 7931. 8 cyclicity is 8426. Now how to decide which four numbers we have to select. Let's take 2. Let's take an example, 12 to the power 54. Now I know for sure that my last digit of this number is either 2, 4, 8 or 6, but I'm not sure out of these 4 which number, and how to decide that. See, last digit, okay, for that you know that it depends upon the power of that number. So now its power is 54. Now what we have to do, simple thing, if we divide the power of the given number by 4. Let's see, if we divide any number by 4, there are the 4 possibilities of remainders. The remainder can be 0. If the complete number is completely divisible by 4, the number is completely divisible by 4, then remainder is 0. Remainder can be 1. Like, let's take an example, 17. If I divide 17 by 4, remainder is what? 1. If I divide 18 by 4, remainder is 2. If I divide 19 by 4, remainder is 3. If I divide 20 by 4, remainder is 0. So what we have to do, let's take an example, 12 to the power 54. Now my answer depends upon power. Divide that power by 4. If you have 54 divided by 4, what is the remainder? We know that 54 is 13 4s is 52. Now 52 plus 2 means the remainder. In this case, for 54, if we divide by 4, the remainder is 2. So because the question was 12 to the power 52, last number was 2. 12 it's 2. 12 to the power 54. So last number is 2. So